how to fix Instagram ban problem. It's an easy process, so let's start. So hello everybody, just hit the subscribe button, that helped me guys, so thank you. So when you open your Instagram app and you see that your account has been temporary banned or permanent banned. So when this is temporary banned, that means your account will be solved in few days. Just wait some moment, after that your account will be solved. So if this is permanently banned, then go to a browser and search Instagram appeal. After that, just go to the first link and then just click I understand and wish to continue, and then just put your name, email address, your Instagram username, and just in the from text just type give me back my Instagram account, I will follow Instagram every terms and conditions, blah blah blah. You can type your own words. After that, just choose files, that means just choose your valid ID card or passports or something like that. After that, just click to the my content was removed due to violation Instagram terms and something like that. After that, click to the send option. After that, 24 to 48 hours your account will be solved. So that's the process I can fix Instagram ban. So hope this helps you. Then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.